Are you looking to bring the cozy charm of winter to your dining or coffee table? Ever wondered how a stunning centerpiece can transform your space into a seasonal masterpiece? In this video, we'll explore creative and easy winter centerpiece ideas to make your home warm and inviting. Let's get started. What are some classic winter centerpiece ideas? Traditional centerpiece designs never go out of style and bring timeless elegance to your winter decor. 1. Evergreen and candle combo. Arrange fresh pine, cedar, or eucalyptus around tall white or red candles. Add pine cones and red berries for a festive touch. Use a wooden tray or runner as the base for a natural look. 2. Snowy lanterns. Place LED candles inside large glass lanterns. Surround the lanterns with faux snow or glitter. Add small winter accents like miniature trees or ornaments. 3. Holiday floral arrangement. Combine white roses, red carnations, and baby's breath for a seasonal bouquet. Use a rustic vase like a mason jar wrapped with burlap or ribbon. Sprinkle faux snow around the base for a frosty effect. Love these classic designs? Like this video and share it with a friend who loves winter decor. What materials work best for winter centerpieces? Using the right materials ensures your centerpiece stands out and lasts throughout the season. 1. Faux florals and greenery. Silk flowers and artificial greenery look realistic and are long-lasting. Choose frosted or glittered options for a wintry feel. Mix with real greenery for added depth. 2. Metallic and glass accents. Use metallic trays, candle holders, or vases in gold or silver. Incorporate glass ornaments or crystal pieces for an elegant touch. Reflective surfaces amplify the glow of candles or lights. 3. Textures and fabrics. Add velvet or felt table runners for a cozy base. Use burlap for rustic designs or sequins for a glam look. Layer with lace or sheer fabrics for a delicate touch. Want to recreate these designs? Check the description for products featured in this video. What are some centerpiece ideas for holiday gatherings? Make your centerpiece the star of your holiday table with these festive ideas. 1. Traditional holiday colors. Use red and green flowers, ornaments, and candles. Add garlands with golden accents for extra sparkle. Include themed items like miniature sleighs or stockings. 2. Winter Wonderland. Create an all-white centerpiece with snowflakes, frosted branches, and candles. Add silver and blue ornaments for a cool-toned aesthetic. Use faux snow or glitter to enhance the magical feel. 3. Personalized family theme. Use framed photos or keepsakes as part of the arrangement. Add a family name plaque or monogram decor. Incorporate traditions like favorite holiday treats or symbols. Looking for more holiday decor inspiration? Check the description for similar videos. What are some centerpiece ideas for small tables? Smaller tables need compact designs that don't overwhelm the space. 1. Miniature arrangements. Use a small vase or jar with a single winter bloom and greenery. Add small ornaments or fairy lights around it. Keep it simple to avoid clutter. 2. Candle clusters. Group 3 or 4 small candles of varying heights. Place them on a small tray or a slice of wood. Decorate with a light sprinkling of faux snow or tiny pine cones. 3. Single statement piece. Use a bold centerpiece like a frosted glass bowl with floating candles. Add cranberries or evergreen sprigs to the water for color. Keep the rest of the table decor minimal for balance. Enjoy these small space solutions? Subscribe for more tips and ideas. How can you make a DIY winter centerpiece? Crafting your centerpiece allows you to add a personal and creative touch to your winter decor. 1. Use upcycled items. Repurpose wine bottles, mason jars, or old bowls as centerpiece bases. Paint them in metallic tones like silver, gold, or frosted white. Fill with fairy lights, faux snow, or ornaments. 2. Incorporate natural elements. Gather pine cones, twigs, and fresh greenery from your backyard. Create a layered effect with taller branches in the center. Add ribbon or twine for a rustic vibe. 3. Add personal touches. Include family photos or handwritten tags. Customize with holiday messages like "Let it snow" or "Season's greetings." Add items that reflect your personal style, such as mini figurines or seasonal trinkets. Have you tried making your own centerpiece? Let me know your favorite ideas in the comments below. How can winter centerpieces be made functional? Combine beauty with practicality by creating centerpieces that serve multiple purposes. 1. Candle warmth and ambience. Use scented candles like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla. Choose flameless LED candles for safety during meals. Add reflective surfaces to enhance the light. 2. Edible centerpieces. Arrange fruits like oranges, pomegranates, and cranberries in a decorative bowl. Incorporate wrapped chocolates or cookies for guests to enjoy. Add greenery and ornaments for a festive look. 3. Storage or display. Use tiered trays to combine decor and serve snacks or treats. Add small dishes to hold seasonal items like candy canes or nuts. Include placeholders or name tags for dinner guests. Planning a functional centerpiece? Save this video to your winter decor playlist in the description. How can centerpieces match non-traditional winter themes? Break away from the classic winter palette with these unique ideas. 1. Coastal winter. Use seashells, starfish, and driftwood for a beachy vibe. Add blue and white candles for a coastal color scheme. Incorporate frosted glass pieces to tie in the wintry touch. 2. Whimsical Candyland. Create a centerpiece with candy canes, gumdrops, and colorful ribbons. Use jars or bowls to hold wrapped treats. Add playful elements like miniature gingerbread houses. 3. Glam Metallics. Use a mirrored tray with gold and silver ornaments. Add metallic candle holders or vases for a sleek look. Include black or deep jewel-toned accents for a modern twist. Have a favorite non-traditional theme? Let me know in the comments below. Winter centerpieces are more than just decorations. They're a way to bring people together and create memories during the season. From classic designs to modern twists, there's something for every style and space. Which idea are you excited to try? Share your favorite in the comments, and let's make this winter